Today, I'm on Manning Road in the popular village of Cupford, St Luke, and have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this end of terrace home, complete with garage and driveway parking for 2 cars, a low maintenance west-facing rear garden, and offered to the market with the added benefit of no onward chain. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe valuation of your own property, then please do get in touch.